Team Creative Design. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm bringing you a organizational video. It has been a minute since I brought you guys anything with organization. You guys know I love doing it, but it does take time to prepare and to just lay things out and make sure you're planning well. I always like to make sure that whatever I'm bringing you guys, you can do it on any type of budget, whether it's big scale, small scale. So today, guys, I am bringing you all with me through the journey of reorganizing my bathroom cabinets. I am back at work daily. I'm still doing a little bit of working from home, but just to be organized in the morning, to be able to grab the things that I need and get going makes life so much easier. So today, this is something that I'm keeping very low key, low scale. But I want it to be very clean and organized. I went shopping on one of my shop with me's at 5 and Below. I found some organizational bins as well as some containers that I have in my home from iDesign, guys. I'm just going to repurpose those. You can always repurpose anything in your home to organize things. You don't always have to spend money. But guys, be sure to always use things that you have in your home. You can find baskets, trays, anything that will allow you to corral certain items, keep them in a particular space so they're not getting shuffled around. That's all organization is, and it makes your life so much easier and keeps things simple. So this one was very, very inexpensive. I think the 2 containers I got from 5 and Below, they had several and they're running like $4 a piece. They also have several different baskets, of course, that are $5. So guys, definitely check out 5 and Below. This is not a sponsored video. So guys, what I'm going to do first is just pull everything out of the space, clean and prep my area, and then I have no particular plan. I'm just going to lay things back into the cabinets in an organized fashion in a way that works for me. The things that I don't use often, I'm going to put more to the back. Okay, guys, that's weird. It is storming in my area and I just lost power. Anyway, so the things that I don't use often, I'm going to put more to the back of the shelves because these shelves are relatively deep. And then the things that I use on a frequent basis that I need to be able to grab and access easily, I'm going to pull to the front and try to organize. So guys, I hope I don't lose power and I'm able to move around and get things done. I'm excited to bring you all on this journey with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you want more content like this, drop it in the comment section below. Let's jump right in and get going, guys.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love you. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, your
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. Cause I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to.
Okay, Team Creative Design, this is the final wrap up. This did not go as fast as I thought it would, just because I have so many small beauty products, guys. I mean, I have tons and tons of beauty products, and you all may see the ring light reflecting. I'm sorry, I have the ring light close because I want you all to be able to see inside the cabinet that I'm about to open. So I just did some simple details. Let me show you guys this cabinet. So this is the final of this cabinet. So what I did here, guys, was I did a beauty shelf, an everyday shelf for my everyday needs, like my body washes, my deodorants, and these are my fragrance lotions that I rub on if I'm going to work in the morning. Just some light scents that don't smell strong. I love white t-shirt, and they discontinued it from Bath and Body Works. These are all of my body butters, and as you can see, I have